How to add and remove Instagram Reels from profile grid. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add and remove Instagram Reels from profile grid. Now if you open up the app and log into your ID, you'll get an interface like this. Now if you head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll get an interface and your profile page here. Now if you scroll down, you'll find your profile grid right here. Now to remove a reel, tap on the reel and it'll open up. Now tap on the three dots option that you can find on the top of your reel, and here you'll find a couple of options, and just below the edit option you can see the option remove from profile grid. Now if you tap on it, it'll process and your reel will be removed from the grid. Now if you scroll back, you can see that it's not here anymore. Now you can see it's gone once I reload it. Now how do you get it back? To get it back, simply head into the Reels section. Now tap on the Reels icon that you can find on the screen, and here you'll find all your Reels. Now tap on the reel that you want to get back into your profile, and then tap on the three dots option which you can find on the bottom of your screen. Just on the right hand side you can see below the share icon. Tap on it and head into manage, and on manage you'll see the option add to profile grid just below the hide likes option. Now tap on it and it'll process and you can see added to profile grid. Now if you head back and if you go into profile and reload it and scroll down below, you can see the reel that I added to profile grid is back on my profile grid. So this way you can add and remove Instagram Reels from profile grid. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.